Hey, welcome to podcast 13 of the Profit Shield Growth System. My name is Graham Norris, and today we're going to be talking about a particularly unstable niche that has and will be subject to lots of change, that has and will disrupt your cash flow and add so much stress to your business and life. Short-term rental rules keep shifting. Revenue swings, fines, headaches, and I stopped playing whack-a-mole. Today I'll show you how I turned a struggling Airbnb into a 9-month cash flow contract using midterm rentals step by step. Here's the problem with STRs. That's short-term rentals. One rule change and your calendar implodes. Your choices become vacancy or constant turnovers that eat your time. Investors don't need drama. We need predictability. The answer is midterm rentals, MTRs, 3 to 9 month stays, fewer turns, regulation friendly in many markets, and a steady business like tenant profile. Instead of chasing nightly spikes, you lock in months of income. So who pays for these stays? Travel nurses, corporate and insurance housing, grad students, and visiting faculty, and relocating families between homes. These folks value stability and convenience, and they pay on time. So where do you get them? Furnished Finder is my primary channel. List on Zillow with Furnished toggle on, post in local Facebook housing groups, and introduce yourself to corporate relocation coordinators in your city. But even take them out to lunch if you can establish a good business relationship. They'll remember you. So what kind of units work best? 1 to 2 bedrooms, near hospitals, universities or major employers. Parking plus in-unit laundry is a quiet superpower. Furnish lean, durable, wipeable, no clutter. This is comfort, not luxury. Pricing 20 to 40% above long-term rent in your submarket. Include utilities, but add caps. Terms 3 to 9 months with first month and deposit up front. Offer an optional bi-weekly or monthly clean. It boosts experience and preserves your assets. I strongly recommend that you hire your cleaning and build it into your price structure. Protect your cash flow with a simple lease addendum. No subletting or relisting as an SDR. Early termination fee structure. Utility caps and a cleaning fee. Clear guest limits and entry rights. Quick note, this is education, so get your legal advice from your attorney. If you're in the Profit Shield Growth System, you just tap your app. There's no extra charge. Remember, it's part of your membership of being in the Profit Shield Growth System. Have your attorney look at all the paperwork with regards to this and the rules to your state. Make it hands-off with SOPs as standard operating procedures, pre-written message templates, a weekly check-in cadence, preventative maintenance schedule, cleaner on a recurring calendar. That means MTR, midterm rentals, into steady income with minimal noise. Here's a quick before and after. STR, the sporadic bookings and rule anxiety. MTR, 9-month contract in 14 days. Result, fewer turns, steadier nets, and way less stress. If you want to deploy this now, I've got 2 free resources. The Cash Flow First Aid Kit and the MTR Lease Addendum Checklist. And if you're serious about building a business that's steady, protected, and time leveraged, check out the Profit Shield Growth System. It'll save you so much time, stress, and money, and increase your cash flow. Smooth out those bumps in the road that the real estate industry delivers. The links are below in the description. Lock in your stability and download the free kit and the MTR Addendum Checklist. We'll talk to you soon.